Hey guys, this is T&B Metals. We hadn't posted in a long time. Uh, ain't really done a lot of scrapping in the last little while, but got a load of wire in. I'm gonna try to strip a little bit right quick and just bring you guys up to date. We just hadn't been doing a whole lot. We've had a little bit of shred and a little bit of brass, but that's about it. But I'm gonna run a couple pieces of wire through the stripper. And just like that, that pile's done. Little stripper right here does a good job. I recommend it to anybody that can find one. I had a hard time finding it. To find the vevor brand with the 4 roller system, it was tough. I believe I give right at $1,000 for it, something like that. But man, you see how it runs the wire through, and I mean, this thing's pretty awesome. But I'm gonna get the table cleaned off, and I may drop back in with you guys later. I got a bunch of SO cable to strip, and I've got one pretty big 3-phase motor. But I'll jump back in with you guys shortly, and maybe when I get to the motor or something, I don't know. But I'll jump back with you guys later. But like I say, we just hadn't had a lot of scrapping going on. It's been pretty bad weather, and we just kind of been taking it easy, and now we're trying to get back out here and get things going and get some copper in the bucket. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. T&B Metals out.